What do you have to lose? You're living in poverty.
All right, guys, I got one for you. If you're in any type of service industry, I'm talking about in-home service industry, and that's what you do. If you're in an in-home service industry, and that's what you do, that's your gift. You need to get out there and give away your gift. I'm telling you, and I'm going to show you how right now. This is how you can start your own business right now. Get started today. Start working tomorrow. Right now, if you just follow through with these simple things I'm about to tell you, I'm giving it to you. It doesn't matter where you are in the U.S. of A. If you're in the United States of America, I'm sorry, other countries, there's probably stuff you could do in your country. I'm going to look it up and see if I can find something for you too. But right now, if you're in the United States of America, this is something you can do right now to start an at-home business right now. Get it off the ground today and start rocking tomorrow. While you're getting all your paperwork and the EIN number together, you can start building credibility right now in your local area, okay? And this is what it is, okay? Here it is. You see the big T down there? Thumbtack, I'm telling you. Thumbtack. The link is in the description. It's at the bottom. It's at the bottom. Click on the link. This is it. Alright, I'm going to show my face. This is me. I'm not playing. Keenan Blackman, Cable Solutions, LLC. This is me. This is my profile. And as you can see, I got it set up right here with all the little bells and whistles. I got my emojis going. And it's critical that you make your profile stand out from other people's profile. That's why mine stand out. I've been on this for like almost a month now, okay? And I'm gonna show you some stats. I'm gonna show you the stats, okay? I've been here for almost a month now, and you know, the first week I wasn't getting any hits, I wasn't getting any leads, nobody was reaching out to me for services. And then I decided to spruce it up a little bit. I put my emojis in. I'm solving a problem. I fix Wi-Fi in New Orleans. How? Check questions and answers for answers. Okay, I'm giving 20% discount, customer appreciation, and then it talks about who I am, a little history on me, where I've worked, what my credentials are, and some of the things that I do. And I got my emojis all the way down, okay? That's what's going on, okay? And then in my photos, I got my photos. I filled it up. I got 56 photos of work that I've done and things that I offer, okay, my services. And after I start doing that, I start putting my featured projects. When I start getting gigs, I got my featured projects, things that I've done. It can give you an idea of prices of how to get these services done. And reviews are big. I got 16 reviews so far. 5 are verified, which are the 5 to 6 jobs I've done through Thumbtack. I've done more jobs than that. They just might not been, the reviews didn't get registered through Thumbtack. I don't know why, but that's a different story. But I still got 16 reviews, and the more reviews you have, the more people check you out. They look at your reviews. I'm all 5 stars across the board, 100%. I only get 5 stars because that's the type of work I put out, okay? And then in my reviews, I start putting my emojis in the reviews, letting people know that, oh, question and answers. I got questions and answers, emojis all over the place. You know, that's where things are just now in 2020. You gotta have the emoji game up, you know. Gotta catch people's eye when they come to your profile. That's what you want to do. That's what I'm teaching. That's what I'm telling people to do. And right now, if you want to start a business, if you provide an in-home service, say house cleaning, say you're a handyman. Say you're AC man, you can fix the AC. Say you got electrician abilities where you can work with high voltage. I do low voltage. That's my thing. You might do high voltage. I don't do high voltage. I don't mess with electricity. Oh no, that's not my thing. Okay, but if you provide an in-home service, you know, if you walk dogs, if you I don't know, anything. If you can knock on somebody's door and they need you to do that service at their house, you cut grass, okay? If you do siding, If you repair fences, you just don't know how many times I've seen people with these storms and things, they need their fence repaired, okay? But if you do those things, you're able to get jobs and you can start this business right from your home. And there's no overhead. There's no overhead. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you, they charge you for leads, okay, but you don't have to accept the leads. You can accept the opportunities. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so you have direct leads, and then you have I don't want to show nobody information and stuff. Okay, we're gonna blank that out. But anyway, that's what it is. Okay, that's all I'm gonna show you. But the link is in the description, and you can go from there. You have services. Okay, look here. I'm gonna show you this. This is my page. Okay, I spent $69 this week, and I got 5 leads. Okay, one of those leads that I got, I secured the job. I did the job, and I made more than the $69. Okay, I made like triple more. Okay, you hear what I'm saying? I made like triple the $69. So therefore, it was worth it. Okay, so but that's just, today's Sunday. The week is just about to begin. All right, but you see it right there. The proof is in the pudding. That's that. Okay, and if I go, I can go. Not even a month, really. And look at this. I've got almost 1,000 views. I don't get those kind of views on YouTube. I don't get those kind of views on Facebook. I don't get those kind of views anywhere. But here on Thumbtack, I got 867 views for my personal company. You see? See, this week is 368. Last week was 302. The week before was 130. The week before that was 47. You can see the progression, okay? You can see the progression right there. And look at the services I'm offering. I'm offering these in-home services. I'm offering house cleaning. I'm offering TV mounting, wiring installation, home security alarm install, window treatment repair, installation, and you can go. You see down the list. You can go on and on. There's endless opportunities if you are skilled enough to offer an in-home service. Right now, during the pandemic, there's people out there at home. They need stuff fixed. They need stuff taken care of. They got the schooling going on. They're taking care of their kids' schooling. They ain't got time to do this stuff at the house, you see? So right now is the perfect opportunity to start a at-home business with Thumbtack. Right here with Thumbtack. It's a wonderful thing. Thumbtack offers a great service that you can provide in-home services and make money right now during the pandemic. And the proof is in the pudding right here. You can see I've spent a total of $231 period with this company, okay? All right, I'm not gonna lie to you. I spent it. It came right out of my account. All right, $231. It shows you right there. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's what I spent. But look at the views. Look how many leads I got. I got 16 leads. 16 leads. Good leads. People that are ready to pay for you to provide a service. Now, you might be wondering, okay, if I spent $231, well, how much did I make? Well, okay, I'm not gonna fluff you. Let me go show you. I'm gonna go over here to let's go to Square Invoices. Okay. All right. Let's go here to Invoices, and boom, paid in the last 30 days, $1,263.36. And look here, we have pending estimates right there, totaling $852.15. Okay. See, and the link to Square is gonna be in the description. All right. See, I get the lead, or I pursue a customer on Thumbtack, right? Now, mind you, I've gotten almost 1,000 views in less than a month, and there's a whole week to go. in the time frame that I've been on Thumbtack. This video is getting long, but I just gotta give you the real, people, okay? $1,000 this month, an extra $1,000. That is income that I didn't have before I pursued this at-home, in-home service opportunity. Right now, you can click the link. You can sign up with Thumbtack, okay? You can sign up with Thumbtack right now. Click the link, sign up, pick your service, build your profile, and then click the other link, okay? There's 2 links down there. Sign up with Square Invoices, okay? You can build a website if you want to build through Square Invoices. You can process credit card payments through Square Invoices. Right here, that's what I've been paid. I was paid that, you see. I was paid $1,263 in the last 30 days. And I work full time. Back to Thumbtack. It's so sweet. It's so easy to do, right? You just create your profile, right? And then whatever service you're offering, what you do then, you go to the other side of Thumbtack and see what the other clients, pros are offering. You know, you go download the other side of Thumbtack. That way, you can see how you rank around above the other people. So like for me, I do TV mounting. So if I click on TV mounting, who's gonna pop up? There he is, Cable Solutions LLC. I'm not playing with you. You see what I'm saying? Okay. What else do I do? Let's see. Let's get out of TV mounting. Wire installation. Who pops up? Cable Solutions LLC, number 2 on the list. I have dealt with many handyman and installers in the past, and Keenan by far out something. You can go check it out yourself. But okay. Let's see what else. House cleaning. I haven't accepted any house cleaning contracts, but let's see, where am I? I think I turned it off because I didn't. I had too much on, so okay, I'm not gonna pop up on the house cleaning. Let's see, I think I got some other stuff turned on. Let's see what else I got turned on. Let's do home and security. Oh, there he is. Average cost in your area, $420 to $700 per job. You see what I'm saying? Like, come on now. Y'all better get it together. You can make some money right now. You know? Look right here. This is my guy right here. McCall installation. I put him onto this, and look at him. Now he's above me in the home security section. But that's what I want. We're out here trying to get it together, you see? We're trying to corner the industry, and you can be part of this. All you got to do is click the Thumbtack link below, and then click the invoice link below, and then you have everything you need to get started right now. And then after you start building up your fuzz, then you go ahead and get your EIN number together, you get your logo and stuff together. You see my logo, it's me. I'm Cable Solutions LLC. I do have my EIN, I do have my business paperwork in order. So I'm good. My stuff is in order, but you can start today while you're working on your paperwork to get your stuff back. Don't wait. This is an opportunity you could take right now. You could do this right now. Click the link. Start. Let's go. Let's get it going. I want to see your profile up tomorrow. Right? You see what I'm saying? Send me a link. Put something in the information. I'm going to look for you on the Thumbtack list. Put your zip code. And I want to know that you signed up because you saw this video and you're doing it today. So somehow reach out back to me some way. Let me know that you